Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to summarize PDF with ChatGPT. First, I'm going to show you this article right here from OpenAI. So it is an official source from OpenAI who made ChatGPT. ChatPDF is a fast and easy way to chat with any PDF free and without a sign-in. So this is the link right here, chatpdf.com, and we can click on it, or you can also type it in on your browser, and you should be able to be on this site. Once you are here, we can upload our PDF. You can click on upload right here, or you can also drag it from a certain folder. And I'm just going to drag a file right there, and it will process the PDF file, and the chat will automatically open like this. And it will immediately talk about the PDF, rubric for evaluating presentations, and it also gives some generated options that you might be curious about as well. And we can also ask any question below, so you can specifically ask about the PDF. For example, we can ask to summarize the PDF, type that in, and hit enter. And ChatPDF should be able to summarize it like that. And if you have any more questions, you can type that in, and you can also click on these generated questions, for example, and it will immediately answer the generated question about the PDF. That is how you can basically summarize PDF with ChatGPT. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.